Hey guys, let's learn how to create a pencil sketch effect, split text, and a ripped paper design in Canva. Simple yet impactful. Let's begin. Start by uploading the main subject, the bird in the cage. You can download the image from the link in the description to follow along. Once uploaded, add it to the canvas and remove the background by clicking Background Remover in the toolbar. To turn the image into a pencil sketch, go to Edit, then under the Apps section, select Trippy. Choose Trace. Set RGB shift and angle to 0. And solarize to 1. Then click Save. Go back to Edit. Open Filters. And under Mono, select Ink. Adjust the light and texture of the image. Modify the settings until you get the result you want. Repeat the process to make the image sharper. This time, set Solarize lower than 1, then save again. Once more, adjust the light and texture of the image for added depth. Now the sketch effect is complete. Next, add the text. To outline the word "the cage," go to Effects and select Hollow. And move it behind the birdcage image. Open the Elements tab and search for Paper Torn. Under the Frame section, let's choose this. Now under Graphics tab, let's add this on the side of the frame so it would look like it's been ripped. Move these behind the frame while holding Control to prevent them from snapping inside. Also, copy the ripped paper and place it behind the text. Search for birds and elements. Choose and drag it inside the frame. Duplicate the word cage. Go to Effects and select None so we could fill the text with color. Let's create a split text effect. Go to Elements tab, search for Box, cover the part of the word cage outside the paper. Make sure the square is color white so we can easily remove its background later. Select both the text and the shape. Then right-click. Select Download Selection. Upload the downloaded file and place it back onto the canvas. Add a little bit dramatic background. A simple way to create a ripped paper effect combined with a pencil sketch look in Canva. Try it out and see how you can customize it for your own designs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss more design tips. Let me know in the comments if you try this out. I'd love to see what you create. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.